Alright, what's up everybody? So today I wanted to do a Carolina African Runner peanut harvest. As indicated in the name, this variety is from Africa. Here's the leaf, how the leaf looks. Looks like got a bit of a disease on there or something, I'm not sure. The new growth looks very clean though. So basically the peanuts, this is my first time growing peanuts, but basically the peanuts put out these little shoots, these roots, and they go right into the soil and they form these peanuts, form small peanuts. You can see I have some containers right here. That's because what I originally had my peanuts planted in, I didn't realize the plant could get so big. So what I originally had it planted in, it wasn't it wasn't enough for these peanuts to, for it to root right there, because the plant spread so far out. This is over here, but I planted it over here somewhere, mixed into these weeds. So basically I'm just gonna come over here and find the root of the plant, and I'm just gonna lift. Let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna try to do this without pulling up any strawberries or anything. Let's go. So I'm gonna try to find the base of the plant, and I'm gonna just lift up the whole base, and then all of the roots should come with that. So here's one of the bases. My hand, it's in my hand right here. This is the base. So I'm gonna lift this up, and hopefully there should be a bunch of ripe peanuts under there. Now I see all this bush moving, so that means the plant has reached all the way over here. Let me take some of this debris off of there. Lift up this one plant, and we'll see how large these plants can get. Oh, there's peanuts right there. So the peanuts form very close to the plant, and then as far as the plant reaches, they also form out there. So let's see what we can do without damaging our crop, or losing too much of our crop. Maybe this is why they say you should keep a peanut patch weed free. Now already I'm looking and I see a few peanuts look like they've been eaten into. We're about to see. One moment. Just trying to do this without losing my peanuts. Okay. So we look under here. I'm not sure what eats them. This one, I guess, is good. I don't know how to tell if a peanut is ripe or not, but I'm assuming these are good. These small ones like this definitely isn't ripe. But then you can see I have peanuts that were eaten into. I'm not sure what did that, but you can see peanuts all under here. Now I'm gonna look up how to prep peanuts for eating. And I'm also gonna look up what preparations I need to take for storage, because I'm gonna save seed from the Carolina African Runner peanut variety. But I also want to put some to the side for testing out its culinary purposes. Now you can see all the way out here, these don't have much peanuts on them, and that's only because the area I had it, you can see that they were basically hanging over here. So I need to find this plant right here next. Let's see. It's definitely easy finding a plant. You just follow that stem all the way to the root zone, and you just pull that root zone up. I'm trying to do this without uprooting my strawberries. I have some Marshall strawberries planted inside the same bed. So I uprooted the plant, and I'm just trying to, there we go. Get it from around those weeds. So we got a nice amount of peanuts in this one. This one looks like it performed better. Let's see. There's one peanut plant right there. Here's the one I just harvested. And this one looks like it did a little bit better. So I'm gonna plant them in, I'm basically gonna plant grow bags next to each other and let the peanuts grow into each other's grow bag. So I don't have to sit there and put containers under them and stuff so for those roots to reach down. Because basically they send out these root things. Each of these root things should basically have a peanut under it. All these stems sticking up. So if you see a stem without a peanut, it's because it didn't reach any soil. That's basically all that happened. It didn't reach any soil. It takes for this to reach the soil, go beneath the soil, and then the peanut will start forming. But if that little root thing doesn't find the soil, it'll never create the peanut. Now I'm looking at a lot of these peanuts; they seem undeveloped. So that's because I got to it late. So I'm gonna make sure in the beginning of the season that I take care of these issues first. So I see more peanuts in here. I'll uproot this. That was a part of the same plant that just broke off. See a bunch of peanuts back there. I wonder if I left the mother plant. Oh, this is another one. Trying to do this as best as I can without disturbing those rare strawberries that I have in there. Okay. So far I've only pulled up 3 plants. And I mean, these plants are high producers, honestly. Considering you can put down 1 peanut seed and get this many peanuts back. It's not bad at all. Just for 1 peanut seed to even give you just that, that'll be amazing, but it produces much more than that. So that's 3 plants I pulled up, and it's about what was left. A few of the plants died out. It was my fault basically. Some of them I didn't see what was going on with them, so I accidentally broke the plants, and others I was just messing around with the peanuts, trying to see when they're supposed to be ripe, and I was just messing things up, doing too much. I was just doing way too much instead of just letting the plant grow itself for 4 months. So we're in November right now, but I believe you can get a much earlier harvest from this variety if you plant it correctly and allow it to grow without disturbance. I see another plant in here, or a stem that broke off. Yeah, so I could have had a much bigger harvest just from even these 3 plants, but this broke off of one. Just from these 3 plants that I harvested so far, I definitely could have had a much better harvest on them, because literally each of these, I don't know what they're called, but they come from the branch. The branch branches out, then it sends out these little root things. They reach that soil. I mean, you could literally have over 100 to 200 peanuts per plant. That's amazing. Coming from 1 peanut. Ow, ouch. Stepping on blackberries. But next season, I know how to go about it now. It's all a learning curve. Yep. So that's about it. I had 3 plants that survived. Everything was growing well, but I didn't, as you saw, I didn't keep those weeds out. I didn't even attempt to make the area so it'll prevent weeds from growing to begin with. But I know how to go about it now. So that's the Carolina African Runner peanut, and this is my Carolina African Runner peanut harvest. I'm gonna go look up instructions on how to prep all these, and I get back at y'all. I'll let y'all, once I clean them off and whatnot, I may do an update on it just to show y'all and give y'all some more information on it. But that's it, y'all. Carolina African Runner. I got my seeds from So True Seed, but many companies carry this seed now. Southern Exposure Seed Exchange also has it. Yeah, and I'm gonna start experimenting with growing various types of peanuts too. This isn't the only variety that I have, but next season I'm gonna try to experiment with at least 5 varieties, 5 or 6. All right, see y'all in the next one. This is naturally a smaller peanut than the standard variety. Has about 2 or 3 peanuts per pod. This is what 3 seeds could achieve you.